New knife day. Today we're unboxing this Ozark Trail 7-inch spring-assisted folding knife. If you're familiar with this, you probably see them at Walmart. I didn't buy this. It was gifted to me by a friend of mine. Thank you, Lucas. I appreciate it. So let's grab this Micro OTF automatic and release this Ozark Trail from its encasement. Why are Ozark Trail knives from Walmart so inexpensive?
They're Walmart's house brand for outdoors gear. Made in China with cheap steels like 420 or D2. Mass-produced in huge volumes to keep costs super low. Walmart's massive buying power lets them sell at rock-bottom prices, sometimes even as loss leaders to draw in shoppers.
And here on top is the safety lock. You can lock it open, you can lock it closed, so if you have kids around, you don't want them messing around with your knife and cutting off a digit. Comes in handy. And what was the price again? $7 or $8? My goodness. Really nice looking knife. Pick up 2, pick up 3. Remember, you got to go to eBay, I think, or just wait. Maybe it'll come back to Walmart. So here's just a quick side-by-side comparison showing that Micro OTF auto that we used to open it and the Ozark Trail knife. So just to give you an idea on size. So let's cut some paper. Let's see if this is sharp right out the box. Yeah, it's cutting right through. I mean, it doesn't feel razor sharp, but I'm not seeing any frayed edges on this paper cut. And then, yeah, let's see what it can do on this poly drip 1/2-inch plastic / rubber tubing. Yeah, I mean, you know, for the price, I could use this in the yard. You know, here in Arizona, we have irrigation everywhere because you got to hand deliver water to every plant in your yard. And let's see what color lanyard's going to go with this. So here's red. I don't know about that. I mean, it could work. And then, so here's orange. Also, not perfect, but you know, red or orange could work. Let's see what else. What other colors we can go with? Light blue, I don't know. Yeah, I have a hard time finding any scale color or anything that goes with that light blue. And navy. Navy, on the other hand, does go with a lot of blades. Yeah, I'm gonna say that navy blue is a maybe. Yellow, it could work, I guess. I don't know. So yellow, maybe. Maroon, so not red. Hopefully it's showing on your screen well. Maroon could also work, maybe with a silver bead. And then gray also could work, but I'll tell you what, it doesn't really pop because it matches a little too much. And then we have this chartreuse. And there's our trusted army green. I use it so much. It goes with a lot of silvers and chrome colors, even black it goes with. So this is definitely a maybe. Black goes with anything. So that's a definite possibility. So black's a khaki, army type, desert color, earth tones. Looks good. That could work as well. And then we have this, I don't know. I should have never bought this paracord because it really doesn't go with anything. Yeah, I don't see that making it. So what color lanyard did you pick? I'll tell you what I picked.
1 hour later.
Boom. Army green. I have to admit I use that more than I'd like to admit. It goes with a lot, especially these grays and silvers. So that's what we went with, army gray or army green and silver bead. So matches well. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching.